Hey there. Just a quick look at this old fully loaded Wenger. This is a 6-layer Wenger from the late 50s or early 60s, given by the old Federal Cross shield there with the red background. This does appear in the 1963 sales circular that they have on SAC Wiki, and they show it as the model 969. So you can see it has a bail. It has the old, half round exposed awl. There's the corkscrew. Regular old-fashioned outboard toothpick and tweezers. But good look at these tweezers. Aren't those gorgeous? I think they're nickel silver, but they have a really high brass content. They look almost brass, if they're not brass. And then just to run through it really quickly, it does have that style screwdriver cap lifter with the wire stripper out front here. There's the old plunge style or sickle style can opener. Next up we have, ouch, a fish scaler, a little fish hook disgorger there. Then there's a metal file saw. Those were just carbon steel, so they always patinaed like that. Then there's a wood saw. Double cut wood saw with a nail nick. That brings us to the scissors. Old-fashioned scissors, single leaf spring, screw pivot. Then I believe that brings us to the blades. Here's the small blade first. Old clip point blade. Does have a tag stamp, and it reads Wenger, Switzerland. And then here's the large blade. Also, the tag stamp's the same, Wenger, Switzerland. This one does have a blade etch. L. Brettenbach, Luzerne. Lucerne. Oh, on the back here we have Wenger Enox with the crossbow symbol. Nice and really nice shape. I just got through cleaning it up. Of course, it's Dave Arnold's being a Wenger, so I'm getting ready to send this on to him in Canada, but I just wanted to show it to you first. There's the old, I guess would be the counterpart to the Victorinox Champion. So 6-layer, fully loaded Wenger, 93mm knife from the late 50s, early 60s. Thanks for watching.